Hi, I'm Christy from the Qantas Contact Centre in Hobart. Each day we get a lot of questions that could be answered online. To save you some time, let me walk you through our Qantas.com how-to guide on using your Qantas Pass. Some Qantas flight credits have been converted to a Qantas Pass. This means the flight credit is no longer visible or able to be used via Manage Booking or our flight credit page. Instead, you can use your Qantas Pass as a simple way to book a new flight. If your flight credit has been converted to a Qantas Pass, the booking contact from the original booking will receive an email with the subject "Important information about your Qantas flight credit." Keep the email safe as it contains important details of your Qantas Pass, including the initial balance and expiry date, how to use the pass and how to view your current balance. You can use a Qantas Pass to pay when making a new flight booking. It is important that you check the available balance before you make a booking. If the wrong amount is entered when paying, this could result in your pass being locked. To use your Qantas Pass, click the Search for Flights button in the email. Select the flight you want and proceed to the payment page. Select the Qantas Passes tab and enter the card number and expiry as shown on the email. The option to use your Qantas Pass won't be available if you've chosen to use Qantas points or to offset carbon, or you have added insurance to your flight booking. If you don't have enough value on one Qantas Pass to pay for your flight, you can split the payment across a second Qantas Pass or a credit or debit card to cover the remaining balance. Select the Split Payment with Another Card option. Enter in the value you want to use from the first Qantas Pass into the first field, and the remaining amount payable will be shown in the second field. Enter in the second card's details, ensuring that you have sufficient value on both cards for the amounts entered. You can use a maximum of 2 Qantas Passes, or 1 pass and 1 credit or debit card to pay for a booking. Submit the payment and you're on your way. Thank you for your continued support. And of course, if you have any questions, we're here to help.